Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate destination for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max. And in the right corner, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control. Which one will suck the most? And by that, I mean, which one will be the best at sucking up dirt, of course? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max boasts an impressive 4,200 Pascal suction. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a black hole, sucking up everything in its path. Pet hair, crumbs, your will to live, everything. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra also has powerful suction, but they didn't specify the exact number. So it's like when someone says they're really strong, but won't tell you how much they can bench press. Mysterious, but effective nonetheless. Now, let's get wet and wild with the mopping feature. The Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously. It's like a multitasking ninja, vacuuming up the crumbs while mopping away the sticky juice stains. Plus, it has 30 water flow levels. That's more levels than your favorite video game. The Shark AI Ultra, however, doesn't come with a mopping feature. So if you're looking for a vacuum that can also moonlight as a janitor, Roborock takes the cake here. Sorry, Shark, no mopping for you. Let's talk about the bane of all vacuum owners: emptying the dustbin. The Shark AI Ultra has a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. That's right, folks, it's the vacuum equivalent of a teenager's room. Never has to be cleaned out. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q7 Max has a combined dustbin and water tank, but you'll still need to empty it yourself. So if you're lazy like me and prefer your gadgets to do all the work, Shark's got you covered. Both vacuums come with LiDAR navigation, so they can map out your home with the precision of a GPS on steroids. The Roborock Q7 Max even lets you view these maps in 3D. It's like your vacuum is starring in its own video game. The Shark AI Ultra, on the other hand, uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision. It's like having a vacuum with eyes in the back of its head. Perfect for avoiding those pesky obstacles, like your dog, your kids' toys, or your dignity. Now, let's talk money. Both vacuums are priced at $599. So no matter which one you choose, your wallet's going to feel the same level of pain. It's like choosing between being hit with a frying pan or a rolling pin. Both hurt, just in different ways. Based on Amazon reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max is highly praised for its strong suction power, efficient mapping, and convenient mopping feature. However, some users find the dustbin a bit small and the mopping setup tricky. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra is appreciated for its self-emptying base and efficient cleaning, especially on hardwood floors. Some users have noted issues with carpet cleaning and occasional software glitches. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q7 Max and the Shark AI Ultra both have their strengths and weaknesses. If you want a vacuum that can also mop and has a suction power that could probably pull a rabbit out of a hat, go for the Roborock. But if you prefer a self-emptying base and hands-free control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, the Shark AI Ultra is your best bet. Remember, at the end of the day, the best vacuum is the one that makes your life easier and your floors cleaner. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you in the next video.